If you are a pasta lover, watch this video to the end and thank me later. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First, I will add vegetable oil in a pan and allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my chopped onions, garlic and fresh parsley. Garlic and parsley is very important in pasta. You may also use dry parsley if you cannot lay your hand on fresh one. I will stir well to combine and allow it to fry for 3 minutes to release the fragrance. Next, I will add chicken mince and season with seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I will stir well to combine and allow it to cook. Once that is done, I will add my pepper mix. Meanwhile, the pasta is on fire cooking. Make sure you cook your pasta according to the package instruction. I will stir well to combine and allow it to cook for a while. Few minutes later, the sauce is ready and the pasta has cooked properly. I will transfer the pasta to the sauce, add my sweet corn and gently mix until well combined. For more nutrients, I will add baby spinach and all-purpose seasoning. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Minutes later, we are done. You guys, this pasta is giving. Very delicious. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.